there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we compare the hottest products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash on something that belongs in the trash. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, comparing the Holystone HS175D and the Gleesfun G11 Mini. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. First up, let's talk about the price. Because who doesn't love a good bargain? The Holystone HS175D comes in at a cool $229. That's right, folks, you can buy this drone and still afford to eat something other than ramen noodles. Now, the Gleesfun G11 Mini, on the other hand, is strutting in with a price tag of $299. Looks like Gleesfun is going for the "I'm worth every penny" vibe. But are they really? Let's find out. Next, let's talk cameras, because if your drone can't capture your epic fails in 4K, then what's the point? The Holystone HS175D boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 110-degree wide angle and 90-degree adjustability. Perfect for capturing those majestic shots, or your neighbor's cat stuck in a tree. Meanwhile, the Gleesfun G11 Mini is flexing an upgraded 4K UHD camera that shoots 2.7K at 50 FPS or 4K at 25 FPS. With a 120-degree FOV and vertical adjustability from 0 degrees to minus 90 degrees, it's like having a tiny Steven Spielberg in your pocket. But honestly, who needs to see their lawn in 4K? Now, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay in the air. The Holystone HS175D gives you up to 46 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. That's almost enough time to contemplate all of life's bad decisions. But wait, the Gleesfun G11 Mini swoops in with a whopping 60 minutes of flight time. 2 batteries and a full hour of flight. That's enough time to lose your drone, find it, and lose it again. Now, let's discuss design and portability. The Holystone HS175D is foldable and comes with a carrying case, making it perfect for those who want to drone on the go without looking like they're carrying a small suitcase. The Gleesfun G11 Mini, however, is all about that sleek, dark green shell with a camera shield for extra durability. It's like the James Bond of drones, stylish, compact, and ready to take a hit. Finally, let's get into the brain power of these drones. The Holystone HS175D offers GPS auto-return, altitude hold, optical flow, and even a follow me mode, because who wouldn't want a drone as a personal paparazzi? But the Gleesfun G11 Mini isn't backing down. It has smart GPS flight modes: follow mode, circle mode, and waypoint mode. Plus, it promises to return home if it loses signal. It's like having a loyal pet that flies and takes photos. What more could you ask for? Reviewers have praised the Holystone HS175D for its ease of use, stability, and good picture quality, making it a great choice for beginners. On the other hand, the Gleesfun G11 Mini is celebrated for its advanced features, ease of control, and professional packaging, though it may struggle in windy conditions. Both drones offer excellent value, but cater to slightly different needs. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The Holystone HS175D versus the Gleesfun G11 Mini. Both drones have their strengths and quirks. But which one will you take to the skies? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more hilarious and helpful comparisons. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.